In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view who has read your messages in Microsoft Teams. This can be incredibly useful for staying informed about your team's communication. Let's walk through this together, step by step. First, make sure you have Microsoft Teams open on your device. Once you're in and settled, navigate to the Chat tab. You'll find this on the sidebar to your left, a little speech bubble icon that's hard to miss. Checking your chats is straightforward. Just click on that tab, and it will display all your recent individual and group conversations. When you're in the Chat tab, you want to select the chat containing the message whose read receipts you want to verify. Click on the chat to open the conversation. You'll see the messages you've sent and received, laid out in a chronological format, making it easy to identify the message you want to check. Once you've identified the particular message, look closely at the lower right corner underneath the text. Depending on the status, you'll see one of several icons. If it looks like an eye with a small checkmark near it, it indicates that the person or people in the chat have seen your message. If instead, you see just a gray checkmark, it indicates your message has been delivered, but the intended recipients have not yet read it. In some conversations, especially group chats, you may find additional options right here that expand to show exactly who has read your message. This is a powerful feature that keeps you updated on whether your urgent message has reached your entire team. If you don't see any reading options on your message, it's possible that the read receipts setting is disabled within your team's application or specific chat. This setting might depend on the organization's choice, as sometimes administrators turn it off for privacy reasons. To enable or check read receipts, navigate to the top right corner of Microsoft Teams, click on your profile picture, and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once there, find Privacy in the left-hand navigation pane. Within Privacy settings, ensure that read receipts are turned on. Keep in mind that these settings can be controlled by your IT department, so if you don't have the option to toggle it, you may have to get in touch with your admin. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can always stay on top of your team's communication more effectively. Whether you're managing a team project or just trying to stay connected day to day, being aware of who has seen your messages can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check the rest of our videos for more helpful tips on mastering Microsoft Teams.